Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure here. I got a Homelink Mirror for the 25 Toyota 4Runner SR5 because the SR5 doesn't come with anything like the SR5 Tacoma does, or at least you have options. So I'm going to install it with a little Torque 10. I guess that's how you call that. A little, I don't know how to properly say that. It's just a Torque 10. Anyways, um, that should be all I need to install this. There is no wires or plugs in this. Let's go ahead and open the box. This one is from Toyota. I got it on Amazon. Let me show you this part number. There it is right there. And the box has a thing saying it has a lithium battery. So what I understand is that there's a long life battery in here somewhere, and it'll last 10 years. And it'll work for this Homelink mirror. So let me show you this. It is a frameless, and it has your Homelink buttons right here on the bottom. Now, I'm going to go ahead and program this right now to my opener, and it comes with instructions for all of that. Let me show you what came in the box here. Came with these instructions from Homelink, and pretty easy. Came with these instructions from Homelink. You know, I mean, it's whenever you get a part that comes from Toyota, it comes with everything. They do a good job. So we have these instructions here on how to program it to my opener. You go and you press the little button. I guess it's a learn button, and then you press a button on here, and then it works. So I'm going to do that first. These extra copies are in a language I don't speak. And then it comes with this right here. Let me see what these little instructions are. These might be install instructions. The great thing about this mirror is you don't need a 10-pin wire plug or a 12-pin wire. You can use that plug-in that's up inside your headliner for something else, which I have. I use the Donger Pro thing to plug up my dash cam. So these are kind of hard to read. This is basically the Toyota installation stuff that comes with Toyota parts. It's just really small. Anything here that I really need to do, all I need to do is program it since I don't have the wires. So let's get this programmed, and then we'll go inside the truck and install it real quick. Only takes a second. Now let me tell you a good point here. It was one thing you want to do when you're the reason I'm doing this is because I have a garage door opener in my vehicle. If my vehicle gets broken into and I have this loose garage door opener in there, they're going to take papers, junk, whatever, change, whatever they get, and that might be their target and the garage door opener. Garage door openers might very well be the target, and if they get your address, they just go to your house and walk in. So for the ladies out there that keep your garage door opener on your keychain or in your purse or whatever, you know, they get your driver's license, they get your address or something else, and then they have your garage door opener. They could, or your keys or whatever, they could come get everything. So just laying that out there. I don't think that they think about ripping the mirror off and stealing your Homelink stuff. It'd be hard to get off. It would waste a lot of time, and you know, thieves want to get in, get out quick. So, anyways, let's go ahead and program this, and it'll be per your garage door opener, and then let's get it installed real quick. Awesome. Let's do it. Okay, so the first step you do to replace your mirror is you want to grab this little piece of plastic right here. Let me show you. This piece here, you can see it, it's outlined like this. So I'm just going to pull this down, pops down. You can see those clips. And you see these right here, because you don't want to break them. They slide in like that, and then it snaps up. So it slides in, snaps up. See those little clips on the side. So you don't want to break those, or you'll be having to buy another one, and I'm sure this little piece is expensive. If you need to, let's see if I can get a focus on a part number there. There we go. Let me see if I can get a focus on a part number there. That's possibly it. In case you break it. There you go. And now you can see, you can access this piece right here. And on this side right here, there we go. You can see that right there. That's your torque 10. You just want to loosen that and pop it, and it'll slide off. And then you can slide the other one on. So let's do that. There we go. Just like that. And it just slides up. So let's go ahead and put this one on there. There it is. I'll make sure it's down all the way where it's supposed to be. Tighten it up snug with my little torque 10. I'm going to adjust it to where I need it. All right, folks, I hope you like my little mirror install. This was just the basic OE Toyota one. It probably comes in Corollas too. The 25 Toyota 4Runner SR5 does not give you any option packages. You don't have any choices. So it comes out of Japan. Anything you want to add, you got to buy extra and put in. It's cheaper that way, believe me. And just get what you need and what you like. I like to do it that way. My Tacoma had a couple of option packages. One of them was the JBL audio and the parking sensors, and it came with stuff like this. But you had to pay $1,800 for that. So, you know, I wish I had parking sensors, but I'll add them later. So, anyways, I hope you liked my install video. It's easy. You just need a Torx 10, and you're good to go. It's really, just be careful pulling that plastic piece off. If you would, like, share, and subscribe. I got more 4Runner videos coming and more Tacoma videos coming too. So stay tuned, and I will see you next time.